So, good day everyone. I'm Lea De La Rosa. So, I will discuss the cashier login. The cashier's main tasks are selling product to customers and using camera scan or yung in-scan niya yung barcode and also the manual input. And also, si cashier din is nagre-request ng refund from admin when needed. So, si cashier, tatype ni cashier kung ano ba yung username niya and also the password. So, after that, maglalagin na si cashier. So ito na nga yung makikita natin yung date, today's sales, today's transaction, and the total item sold. So, dito, yung way ni cashier is pwede niyang gamitin si camera scanner para mag-scan ng mga barcode and also the manual input. So, si manual input yung magiging example namin today. So, click the manual input. So, after si manual input, so naglagay kami na sa search bar nag-input kami kay search bar ng barcode. So, after ma-input kay search bar ng barcode, so lalabas si t-shirt basic black and yung price niya and also the quantity. Pwede natin lagyan ng 2 or 3. So, after that, may lalabas na yan kay transaction summary. Then, process payment. So, wala kaming nalagay na receipt. So, after that, request refund. So, dito naman kay request refund, so, ito nga si process refund. So, new refund request, ilalagay ni cashier yung transaction ID and also yung product and yung refund amount and reason for refund. And after that, isasubmit na siya ni cashier and yung pending approval. So, dito is may yung mga new refund request. So, dito natin makikita yung mga nagkaroon ng transaction si cashier na may nagpa-refund sa kanya na customer. So, yung date. Also, mahalaga yung date. Ano bang date nagpa-refund yung customer. So, sino ba yung cashier? Si cashier, kayo bang cashier siya nagpa-refund? And yung transaction ID, mahalaga din. And product, amount, and reason. And the status. So, pending, approved, and rejected. So, back. So, yun yung way ni cashier sa paggamit ng system natin. So, good day everyone. Today we will present our prototype called Mura Lahat. This system is designed to help store owners manage sales, track inventory, and record transactions efficiently. It aims to provide faster service, organized data, and better store management for improved businesses' productivity. So, this is our login form para kay admin. So, username. So, enter admin. Then, type lang yung password, then login. After ng login, dito na siya pupunta kay dashboard. So, dito kay dashboard, makikita yung mga information. Katulad po nitong low stock alert. So, merong 2 product na running low or kailangan na siyang mag-restock. So, para mas mabilis si admin na makapag-restock is nag-add kami ng button na add stock. Then, pag-click tong add stock, mapupunta siya kay inventory monitoring. So, dito kay inventory monitoring, makikita yung product name, category, price, current stock, and add stock. So, dito sa quantity, maglalagay lang ng kung ilang ba yung gustong i-stock ni admin na Then, after malagay ni admin yung example stock, 100, after niya ma-type yung 100, is pipindutin niya na yung add. After nung add, madadagdag na siya dun sa products. So, meron namang option na pag sumobra yung stock, pwede siyang i-adjust ni admin. So, ito yung niya, yung kung ano bang product yung i-adjust niya, pinutin niya lang yung drop down and adjustment, kung ilan ba yung, kung kailangan bang merong plus sign, kung mag-add pa rin siya or minus para mag-minus siya ng stock, and yung reason kung bakit kailangan niya mag-adjust ng stock. Then apply adjustment. So dito naman kay product, dito makikita yung mga information ni product gaya ng product category, size, barcode, and price, stock, and ito yung actions. So dito muna tayo kay search bar. Dito pwede mag-search ng mga product. So in case na marami na yung product, hindi na niya kailangan na mag-scroll or hanapin si product. So type na lang. And then pag gusto ni admin or may kailangan i-add na bagong product or trend yung product na yun, then click add product. Then after ma-click yung add product, so lalabas na tong add new product. Then kailangan lang ilagay yung mga information katulad ng product name, category, description, price, and initial stock. So after nun, pwede mo siyang i-save or i-cancel. Kung gusto mo siya i-cancel, so click the save. After that, so ito namang action na edit. So kung gusto natin i-edit yung information ni product or yung price or yung stock, pwede siyang i-edit dito. So meron din siyang button na cancel and save. So after ni product management, so inventory, si inventory na paliwanag na po kanina. So si cashier naman. So dito kay cashier, makikita yung total cashier, merong 3 cashier, then yung active today, meron 3 active, so yung total sales and transactions. So dito makikita yung sales by cashier, so dito makikita yung kung gaano ba kalaki yung sales ni cashier Leia and Erica and Maria. So si Maria yung pinakamaraming nabenta or So dito naman kay transaction, so nandito pa rin yung si Leia, Erica, and Maria yung mga cashier. So si Maria yung mayroong pinakamataas pa rin na transaction. And also ito yung mga recent transaction ni cashier. So cashier ID name, so ito yung information ni cashier. Dito na monitor ni admin yung mga transaction ni cashier. So dito sa may baba naman is makikita natin yung top performer na cashier.
Hello, I'm Kevin Balkin. Next, we have the refund management page. This section is used to manage and review refund requests. At the top, we can see the summary boxes showing total approved, total amount, pending approval, then rejected. Then also we have a warning, so you can see you have one pending refund request that need your attention. So ito po yun, itong pending na to po, ano. So meron tayo ditong date and time, cashier, transaction ID, product, amount, reason, and status, then approved by. Kung ma-approvean ba siya at yung maging admin na nilalagay ng approve. Ano po. Then meron din tayo rejected. Then, next one is sales report. Ipoprovide siya ng overview of business performance. At the top, we can see the summary cards such as total revenue, transactions, average transaction, then period. Also, we have daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly to view reports based on time. So, ito lang mapapakita namin sa inyo daily. So, parang ganun na rin kasi siya kapag gumawa pa tayo ng weekly and monthly year. So, meron tayong sales trend. Yan kataas, ano? Then, transactions. And then also, we have payment methods distribution. So, yung sa cash. Kung sa cash ba, kung ilan yung cash na nagbayad ng cash or sa GCash, through Maya, and sa card. Ano? Then sa recent transactions, then transaction, meron ng transaction ID, date and time, cashier, items, payment total. So, then meron din tayo dito export and report. So, pwede natin ma-download yung nare-report ko ano. Yeah. Then, the next one is users. Dito po gumagawa ng yung gagamit ng cashier po natin ano, yung paggawa ng account para yung papasok sa atin, ganun. So meron tayong first name and last name, email address and phone number, and then username and password. This is also a button to generate a temporary password automatically. Then once all details are filled out, the admin can click and save to create a new user. Then settings. So yun nga. Ito lang sa settings niya. Ito yung si admin. So nandito si Chris Sarina, si De Vega. So yan, makita yung email, then information ng store na kung saan Mura Lahat Store, Poblacion, Abarado, Ilog, Occidental, Mindoro. Then yung contact number na masisave info natin. Then sa discount settings, we have a default discount 5%. Ito po yung sa mga suki na bumibili po sa atin ano. So meron tayong allowed discount card. And yun lang. That's all. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby, she